Hi, and welcome back, guys. I don't know what the hell that noise was just now. Excuse me, my voice is gone just a little bit, but we're going to start off with this palette. You know, as much as I hate fall, I have to say that I honestly kind of like fall because it allows me to do super simple looks without having to do all of that color and stuff. So we're going to start out with this color. I think we're going to do like a little greenish fall look today. I'm not really sure because I always say we're gonna do fall looks and it never turns out to be like a fall look. So let's figure this out. So we're gonna start with that color. We're just gonna dip it, and then we're just going to apply like so to the eye. And we're gonna also bring it in towards the nose, you know. I'm just kind of dragging to like the end of the brow bone just to make sure it's blended, mama. Okay, so I'm gonna do the other eye, and then I'll be gonna go in with this darker burgundy right there. I'm gonna go in with that. Or maybe this is like a deep brown. Yeah, I think it's like a deep brown. Yeah, I have to clean my brushes. I really do. I need to stop playing with my life and clean my brushes because this is ridiculous. So I ordered this little brush cleaner off of AliExpress, right? And I still have not received it. It's been like 30 days. So I contact the seller. I'm like, hey, the tracking has not been updated since last month. He's like, oh, you just gotta wait. Like, nah, you just ain't sent my stuff. That's what it is. Trying to be nice and not call corporate. But you keep pushing me. You keep pushing me. I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna write me a nice little letter to corporate and let them know. I don't even think AliExpress has a corporate. But what else? Okay, I'm gonna do the other eye and I'll be right back. Alright, so now we're gonna go in like a tad bit of black on that outer corner, and I'm just gonna bring it right up to like the arch of my brow. I'm really trying to debate on like what colors I want to use today because I'm not really sure. I don't know what colors I'm about to use. I'm like, I kind of want to do like a green to get into the fall season. But I don't know, I kind of want to do like a brown too. I'm not sure, guys, what I'm going to do. What are you going to do, Ari? I don't know. I don't know what look we're going for, guys. Whatever it is, y'all know it's going to be a cut crease, so we don't even have to be concerned about that. Okay. I think I'm gonna do a green. I'm not sure. Let me think on it and I'll be right back. All right, I've already done my cut crease. Boy, I'm just a rocking and a rolling today, y'all. I think I actually might be on time. All right. So now we're gonna go in with this green right here. I can't believe I'm using the same damn palette. I'm impressed with myself. Girl, you gotta go off. Okay, so this is the green, and I'm going to apply it. You guys are going to be doing 3 colors today. I told y'all when I do my cut creases, I normally try to do multiple colors. To me, it just looks better. But you guys can feel free to do whatever it is that makes you happy, okay? Don't take my word for it. I'm just kind of tapping onto that black a little bit, so it'll be a nice little gradient effect. You guys know how I feel about harsh lines. I don't really like them. So I'm just tapping on there. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with the gold, which is this color right here, and then we're also going to do that color right there. But first we're going to start with this one. So we're going to go in with that. I'm just flipping my brush over. Okay. Gonna go right over the green. I hope you guys know that when I say like go right over, I mean to kind of like, I don't know, lightly tap them. Like put it onto like a clean space, but kind of tap it into the green a little bit just to make sure it's a nice transition. I hope that makes sense. I'm not really good at like the technical stuff, so I'm sorry. But I really do hope that makes sense. I was going to stop and then do like the other eye and stuff and then come back, blah, blah, blah. But, I mean, I think I'm just kind of wasting footage that way. So we're just going to keep doing it all in one scene. Before I was doing it that way because I'm like, I didn't want to, like waste my storage because I don't have like a lot of storage, so I was unable to do both eyes. But I mean, this seems to be going pretty quick, so I guess I guess I can stay on camera for both. Okay, so you just want to kind of make sure you bring it in about the same amount. It's never going to be perfect, so don't worry about it. I am now going to flip the brush over and go back into that green color and just softly tap just to make sure it's a nice little transition, no harsh lines. All right, so now I'm gonna clean my brushes. I'll be right back and we'll do the last color and then we'll do a wing liner and some lashes and we just gonna go with the flow. All right, y'all, let's go in with that last color. We're just going to tap it right here on top. I kind of want to do one more color, y'all. I think I am. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do one more color in the inner crease, like that little white part, because I need it to be bright in the inner corner. Need it to be so bright. Why do I feel like I'm on like a safari with these colors? Like I feel safari-ish. I really don't know if this is like real fall stuff. Hopefully it is. Real fall girl shit. Alright, I'm probably gonna cut that because that sucked, but whatever. Okay. Okay, so one more time on the flip. I'm gonna go back into that previous little gold color. We're just going to tap, because I feel like we kind of lost a little bit of sight of it once I put down this little tan color, or whatever color that is. So I'm just gonna go back and just lightly tap. Okay, so Now we're going to do a brighter color, which is going to be this color. We're going to do that on the inner corner. I first have to find a smaller brush, so give me a second and I'll be right back. Okay, so first I'm going to test this on my hand. Oh yeah, that should be okay. It's this one. Alright, so we're going to just apply that right there in the corner. Kind of tapping it into the other color. Sorry, I gotta hold my mouth open. I know that's pretty sickening, but I can't do it without it. I really don't know if y'all can see. Let me turn this down so you guys can really get the full effect of the color. Alright, so now I'm going to go back in with the previous color and just lightly tap in there. I know some people are probably like, well, why don't you just work backwards? Like, you start with the light and then go into the dark. That's not what I like to do. So let me work a little bit harder if that's what I need to do to get it the way I want it. Okay. So I'm trying to think if I should brighten up that inner corner a little bit. I kind of do. I kind of want to go in with like a brighter color. No, we'll stick to the fall season. Okay, let me blend out the edges over here to make sure the black smoothly transitions. I mean, I just kind of want to go in with like almost a white on the inner corners. I don't know. I'm sorry, y'all. I keep clearing my throat. That is so disrespectful. I apologize, y'all. I'm sick. I was editing my videos last night and I was like, why do you keep clearing your throat in these videos? I'm so sorry, but I'm getting sick, so I apologize, peeps. Let me go ahead and do my liner and my lashes and I'll be back. Alrighty, here is another pair of lashes that will be in my collection. One of them is on currently. I really like this pair. These are the shorts. They're not 25 mm, so they're not extremely long. I think you guys are really going to like the lash collection. I think you guys are really going to be digging it. This will be for, I guess, my everyday girl who wants a little bit of dramatic eyes, but not too much. She still wants to keep it simple. So I just, yeah, wait till y'all see the photos or the end result. I just love it, you know, it's amazing. Alright, peeps, this is the finished look. If you guys like my channel or like this video, give me a thumbs up. Make sure that you guys subscribe. I really enjoy making content for you guys now that I know that you're watching. Yeah, if you guys have any questions or if you want me to show my foundation routine or my eyebrow routine, feel free to let me know in those comments below. Anyway, thanks for watching. I love you. Alright, peeps, so this is the finished look. I'm not really too sure about my hair at this point. I'm just too lazy to freaking change it this week. I'm like, hey, we tried a butts down, so the butts down is what we'll continue with. I'm not really sure. But here is the finished product. You guys know, as always, if you like my content, then make sure that you give me a thumbs up and subscribe. That's the only way that I know to continue to put out content is because you're watching. So how else will I know unless you subscribe? I love you guys, and I'm going to shut up now and give you guys a full view. So let's go.